Hey guys, it's Maymay, and I wanted to take a second to tell you about an opportunity we have for you to win an electronic cutting machine. So we have a second channel. It's called MayMays Product Parade. On that channel, I do product reviews, but the biggest thing that I'm loving right now is top tips. You'd love those too if you head over and take a look at them. While you're there, subscribe. Once my Product Parade channel reaches 100,000 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway and give one lucky winner a cutting machine of their choice. Yes, you heard right. You can choose a Cricut, you can choose a Cut, you can even choose a Silhouette. So be sure to head over and subscribe. There's a link in the description below, and all you have to do is click the red button. And when we reach 100,000, we will do a big giveaway. Thanks so much, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.